Today, my journey brings me to Dublin's Phoenix Park, one of the largest enclosed parks in Europe. Within these vast grounds lives a unique herd, the fallow deer. Originally introduced in the 17th century, they have become an iconic part of this 1700-acre Phoenix Park, captivating visitors for generations. Moving closer, I find myself in the company of this deer, a sight that feels timeless. They are perfectly adapted to this park, blending with the landscape yet standing out in quiet elegance. In India, deer are cherished, protected by law for their gentle nature. And here, seeing them roam freely, it's a rare privilege. An invitation to pause and just observe. Right, our next segment. As you see, in the heart of Marlay Park, a small group of peacocks roam freely, adding a vibrant touch of color to the park's lush surroundings. Known for their mesmerizing feathers and graceful demeanor, these birds bring a unique charm to the Irish landscape. It's a rare treat to encounter them so closely, as if they are part of the park's character, blending beautifully with its serene atmosphere. On a funny note, I even spotted this male peacock trying very hard to impress a female, showing off his feathers with all the confidence in the world. And you know what? She ignored him. Stay tuned, and until then, keep watching Dance and Wander. It's Sai, S-A-I. Bye bye.